Thank you po. Tapos na po ang aming rehearsal. Ang rehearsal po dito ay napakalamig. At gusto ko siya kasi napakalamig. At ayun, thank you so much UP and see you again later. Okay? Lamig. Lamig sa Philippines. Nag-freezing cold ako, guys. Lalamig ako. Hello ko bang sumabog? Ay, ito. Pagdak mamaya. See you mamaya. Where are we? We're in a room.
Did you see a monkey?
Oh! Our outfit is based from this. But leveled up. As you see, my hair is shorter there, and my look today has changed my shoes and my back and my belt.
My shoes, it's different now. Tapos may bag. Oh. So how about you?
I think it improves me is bag, my shoes, and also my self-love. Now I already
Oh, you're filming.
He changed his glasses. No more glasses.
Oh, yeah. I didn't have my
And
specs.
necktie.
And I changed my necktie. And I used to wear like a long collar,
And
but
shoes.
now I use shorts. Yes, shorts.
He's the most changed.
And I also use,
He's the very
more
changed.
comfortable in
Life.
no in dancing, like in performing.
So that's it for today. So see you later in the theater.
Kasambay na.
One more. One, two. Di maka-compete yung camera ko sa
Diploma.
Axel look the beauties. Hello.
Yes.
Welcome to what world has brought us to be. Welcome to UP, University of the Philippines. And now, we time to say goodbye. Goodbye.
Ito na nagtatapos ang wala na ba talaga? Wala na.
Kahit nagka-technical problems, thank you so much sa mga pumunta, sa mga Thank you so much. Tsaka po sa org na nag-organize. We're so proud of you. Grateful. Yes.
Tandaan mo to, isa kang kalawakan.
Habang kumakalawakan pa na kumakalawakan na naman.
Totoo. And, ayun lang. So, see you sa, ano ba lang, may susunod pa tayong vlog. Sige, bye-bye! Bye!
my God. Ang bilis. Kanina nasa Halyo lang tayo.
nasa ano na tayo, from UP to LPU.
Yes.
Bilis na. Ang
School
galing
tour,
natin.
school tour
Galing,
na,
galing.
school tour. School tour with Aja. Ayun po, nakatapos na po kami ng ayos namin. Let me see your feet. Ooh, pink shoes, pink, yung nakalabas na medyas. Tapos, mas white siya kaysa sa pink.
Oo nga dapat pink eh.
Ayan na, tapos just the denim and this,
Yes.
and this,
And this.
and the iconic Chicago sweatshirt. Iconic na siya
Ilan
ngayon.
na?
500 people na. As ako, with the cutest.
Ay, hindi naman. Para mas kita ko.
Yeah, pero happy graduation. Happy graduation ngayon,
Ay, aray ko.
Makita niyo na po kami mag-perform sa Lyceum dito po sa LPU. Kaya excited na din po kaming makita ang Honeys at lahat po ng mga manonood mamaya. So, see you there, Honeys.
See you.
Thank you, LBU, and thank you, Lyceans, for...
Thank you for watching this Hallyu times LPU vlog. Thank you so much, Honeys, for being here.
Yeah.
We really enjoyed this wonderful performance, and I hope we seize the day every day. We are Aja. Annyeong. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Don't forget to follow, to like, and to share, and to subscribe because we got more videos for you, Aja. Simula sa pinamataas, everybody now.
Bye-bye.
Bye. 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 Bye.